Hello. Thank you for requesting to see this video. I am going to show you the strategy that I'm using with the new IML web analyzer to grab pips, to make profits, to have really good winning streaks. So this is what I'm doing. Right, just to show you, today I started using this strategy. I learned it from a lady called Lee Allen, who is in the IML web analyzer group, who's incredible. So just to show you so far today, where's the camera? Oh, there it is. Right, so far I have had, look at the blue is the winning trades, right, over here. Blue is winning, red is not. So I lost 90 cents today. But I am so far, this is so hard because the camera's back to front, I'm so far in £57 profit. And that was just a few hours, right? So how am I using the web analyzer to do this? I'm going to go over to the web analyzer now. There we go. Let me shrink this down over here. Right. This is the IML web analyzer. Okay. What happens is when a trade comes through, you get a notification up here to say whether it's a potential buy, a potential sale. And just to let you know, these are high probability setups that they're sending you. Okay. Nothing is guaranteed. But the experts in the trading field and the experts at IML are saying that these trades that they are calling are high probability setups. Right. So it's up to you to use your knowledge whether you want to jump in these trades, whether you want to take these trades. You can do your own analysis on them. I don't know how far into, Forex you are, whether you like indicators, but I am really basic. I don't like all the indicators and all that kind of stuff because it just blows my mind. So I am a very simple girl. I like it simple and easy to understand. So I'm going to show you how I am doing it. Right. So we had a call in here, a potential buy on the Australian dollar, US dollar. So what you do is you click on it and it brings you up with all of this stuff. And now all this stuff is going to look like it's going to blow your mind, right? So what I do is I get rid of it all. Can't be doing with it all. Can't be doing with all this stuff that I don't understand, right? All I want to know about is these candles and what they're going to do. So, I'm going to cough, sorry. Right. Let me just pause this for a minute, get a drink of water. Right. So, as soon as this trade comes in, the first thing I do, as soon as you get the cha-ching, because it goes cha-ching when a new one comes in, is I quickly grab my MetaTrader 4 on my phone. I find that pair. Australian dollar, US dollar, right at the top. I press it. It comes up with, what do you want to do with it? I press trade. Like that. I instantly do a market execution. And that is going to be, let me show you this. See up here, it says a buy. So I would go straight in and I would press buy by market. Right, then I'm in that trade. Right, I've done nothing but get the signal, go into market execution and put it on a buy and I'm in, right? Then I sort it out, right? Then what I do is I go over here and if it's a buy, you want a long position. If it's a sell, you want a short position. This is a buy, so I get a long position tool. And what I do is I find where this was called. So this was called at 1:10 p.m, which is around there. See that little black indicator at the bottom? That's the time. So you match that up there. And then this was called at the price of 0.7628. So 76287. Right. That is where I got in. Right. That is where I got in. Now, if you look at this, what then I do is, see, this green is going to be the profit. This red is going to be the bad bit. Right, as you can see, I jumped in this trade and it's going down. So, right, what I do is I adjust this stop loss line so that it got a 10 pip stop loss. So you keep moving it down. Right, 10. It comes up as 0.00 which is 10. Okay, that means 10 pips. And then I adjust this one to 5 pips. I only want 5 pips per trade. 5 pips, see, 55. Right, then what happens is, on the side of this analyzer, it gives you the actual number for your take profit and the actual number for your stop loss. Because I don't know about you, but I have a nightmare trying to work out the numbers for stop losses and take profits. And then all you do is you go back into your MetaTrader 4, the trade that you just entered, the one that you just clicked to buy or sell on, you then go in and you modify it and you add your take profit and you add your stop loss and you press modify. Right, that way, the trade that you are in is protected. You are only ever going to go down to a 10 pip stop loss. And if it hits your 5 pips, you've won. You've got it, okay? So this is your risk management set up for you, right? That is it. That is all I'm doing. That is all I'm doing. And this is the results that I'm getting, right? And you can watch it going on in this graph here. Now this trade here, see, look, it's starting to go into red, which means this is, at the moment, this is not good. Right, but this has got all this room to move and go back into profit. It's got room to breathe, right? Some people like to set their stop loss a lot bigger than 10 pips, right? But I like to play it safe. And I think if I haven't grabbed it within 10 pips, I'm not going to risk any more money than that. It's up to you what you set your stop losses at and what you set your targets at. But with this is a scalping tool. It is designed for you to go in, come out, grab your pips, go to the next one. Come in, come out, grab your pips, go to the next one. So I only try and grab 5 pips. I don't get greedy. I don't get over ambitious. I go for 5 pips only and I leave it, right? If it stops me out of 10 pips, I've only ever lost 10 pips. But you can see from my results here that, where is it? Bear with, history. Look, today, this is what I'm doing today, right? You need a bigger screen, don't you? You can't see that. Today, right? I've been doing this today. Gets my camera. Look, I've been doing this today. Look, this was all from the web analyzer. It's probably a bit blurry. This is all from the web analyzer. This is all from literally a signal going cha-ching. Me quickly grabbing it as quick as I can on a market execution and jumping in, whether it's a buy or a sell. And then I go in and I do the technical bit where I put my long or short positions in. I then make a note of my stop loss and make a note of my take profit. And I put them into my MetaTrader 4 app and I modify that trade so that it is protected with a stop loss. And then I am logging it on a bit of paper because like, I'm a bit of a geek of exactly what I've done. You can see, look, look at all these profits, look. And I'm putting on there the pair, the web analyzer, what lot sizes I'm using. Honestly, just set your lot size to whatever account size you've got. You know how to do that. You know how to make sure that you're setting the right lot sizes for your account. And just have fun with this. This is an incredible, incredible tool. And it is making me a lot of profit. Obviously, past profits do not guarantee future profits. We are professionals here and we need to give you that disclaimer. This is Forex trading after all, and sometimes the trades don't always go in our way. As you can see, I had an awful, awful loss today. I lost 90 cents on a trade. Here, look. What an awful, awful experience for me. We win some, we lose some. But that's the web analyzer. That is the strategy that I am using. That is a strategy that today has made me so far £57.89. And I've been doing this for about 3 hours in and amongst other things that I'm doing. Not bad, eh? Not bad at all. Right. Thank you to Stephen Hooley for setting this up. Thank you to IML for adding this as one of the incredible products that you get with IML. This is my new favourite product. As a scalp trader, this is just ticking every box for me and I absolutely love it. So big thumbs up to the web analyzer. Go and have fun, but be safe, put proper risk management in and put your stop losses in. Right? Thanks very much. Bye-bye.